good friend of mine, Adrian Weber, sent me, or had this lock sent to me, or as you would know him as Adrian Weber. It's actually a pretty cool lock. It's master. I think they made it in the 90s. Oh yeah, it says 98 right there. So it is a dimple lock. But let's take a look at it. It's actually machined really nice. Beveled and chamfered edges, I mean. Works perfectly. Key retaining. Yeah, let's get down to the good stuff here. It is made in our favorite place. Tension bar in here. Now I'm going to use a Peterson half diamond Euro. And what we're going to do is we're going to work down the stack, but I did some research on these. I think they have 2 spool pins in them. We'll find out when we get it. So we're going to try to get a false set here. So I'm just going to work it in here. Let me get a little zoom here. Maybe. Alright. And a little bit of false set. There we go. There's the big old false set. Got the pick stuck, and you can see I'm stuck on a pin there. So let's go ahead and set it. Gotta work under it. Okay, set that one. See if there's another one here. Found it. Feels like pin 2. Yeah. Oh. Slipped off of it. There it goes. So overall, it's a decent lock. It is extremely easy to pick. I think I did read on the back. It says under this, it's kind of hard to read. It says maximum pick resistance. I don't know if probably not to overseas in Europe or anything, that actually a lot of locksmiths have these or see these all the time, these dimples, but they're not very common here in the US as they are there, so I'm sure they copied that and was like, oh, let's just call it maximum pick resistance because it's a different type of key. So overall, good lock. Thank you, Adrian. And you guys, thanks for watching, and stay legal.